Okay, introduce myself. My name is Yasmina Amani. Okay, now you will in job interview with me. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Can you tell me a little about yourself?
Okay, my name is Radina Kapabilia and I'm 17 years old. I graduated from the University of California and I'm currently living in Jakarta. I've been on an internship as social media official for 5 months. My duties include writing for Instagram, posts, publishing digital content on social media, and ensuring the campaign goes well. I have always been interested in social media and new trends, so that's why I choose to follow this career path.
What do you know about this company?
This company is a fast-growing startup that focuses on education. The startup has many products such as English Academy, Brain Academy, and so on. Since its establishment, this company has gained several achievements, awards, and milestones.
What motivates you to apply for this job?
I feel my skills are particularly well suited to this position because I'm detailed, personal, and communicative. I like to write a to-do list every morning and like to communicate with new people.
What makes you a good fit for our company?
I'm trying to be a personal person. I always arrive early and complete my work on time. My previous job had a lot of deadlines and I made sure that I organize all my jobs.
Besides work, what other activity are you currently involved in?
In my free time, I enjoy taking a break from the work by just lounging on my bed and watching Netflix. It's a great way for me to unwind and recharge after a long day or week. I usually watch a mix of different genres, from comedy to drama to documentaries.
What's your greatest strength?
My greatest achievement in life so far has been completing my master's degree while working full time. It was a challenging journey, but I was able to balance my work and studies and graduate with distinction. I am proud of my accomplishment and believe it has opened up new opportunities for me in my career.
What is your greatest weakness?
I'm natural problem solver. I find it rewarding to dig deep and uncover solution to challenge. It's like solving a puzzle. It's something I've always excelled at and something I enjoy. Much of product development is about finding innovative solutions to challenge issues, which is what drew me to this career path in the first place.
Who has impacted you most in your career?
My greatest weakness is I often lose focus when I'm occupied with so many tasks. To overcome this, I come up with a to-do list and time management system that allow me to organize all my tasks.
You tell me how you think other people will describe you.
I think that my father, he was a senior journalist for a national mass media company. When he was a journalist, I saw him trying hard to get the information as clear and possible. So people might know the truth. He is my inspiration to be a dedicated journalist.
Do you find it difficult to adapt to new situation?
I think people would say that what I see is what I get. If I say I will do something, I do it. If I say I will help, I help. I'm not sure that everyone likes me, but they all know they can count on what I say and how hard I work.
How do you manage stress and pressure?
Adaptation is not easy. Of course, I will find it difficult to adapt or at the beginning. Based on previous experience, I feel like I'm starting to adapt after working for 1 week.
How do you prioritize work?
My first step in managing stress is to try to keep confident yet by keeping my work process very organized and my attitude professional. I also break down my project into small tasks. I make a list of action items with reasonable deadlines.
What is your greatest accomplishment?
I always see work from two things, urgency and importance. From this consideration, I will always start doing work that is urgent and important, and work that is not in both. I also equip my phone with the Trello application, which has been helping me work from away.
When were you most satisfied in your work?
In my last role, I managed all social media content. I noticed other brands were experimenting with videos and getting great engagement. So I asked my boss if we could do a low budget test. She agreed and I produced a video. Then posted the conversion, which is a large number.
Where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
It's when I complete my job properly, on time, and hit the target. When I see my boss, clients, or companies satisfied with my work, I'm also satisfied.
What is your dream job?
I'm also really excited to take on managerial responsibilities in the next few years and potentially even take the lead on some project.
Why did you leave your previous job?
I've been interested in the content industry that combined with my interest in traveling and foods. It's my dream job to be a travel writer that takes readers around the world with me.
What kind of work environment do you like best?
I was very fortunate to be hired by ABC Company. They taught me a lot about digital marketing, and it's been stimulating to work as contributor to their creative teams. However, I'm ready for the next step. Meanwhile, they already have a good digital marketing manager. Then I see myself can hit the ground running as your next digital marketing manager.
What do you like to outside of work?
I really thrive in more collaborative environment. I prefer a setting where everyone's input is taken into consideration because I feel like approaching any project with a range of perspective is better in the long run.
How do you handle conflict at work?
I'm raising a family, so a lot of my time is focused on that. I'm also using my commute time to learn foreign language. Now I'm learning Japanese language.
Tell me about a time you failed.
Conflict is inevitable when a company works hard to get things done. When it happens, I try to listen and understand others' point of view. I try to make a discussion and not be defensive. I'm sure that we will find the best solution if we have the same purpose. I once handled a startup company's campaign project. I brought all my heart to the project, but there was a miscommunication between us. When I presented my draft, they didn't like it. They asked me to make a new draft. After we had a long discussion, I could finally make a project that they like a lot.
Okay, that's me now. Thank you for your time. Good luck.
Okay, Miss, yes, thank you for your attention. See you.